Traveling solo as a woman. Safety and comfort matter just as much as adventure. That's why female-only hostels are gaining popularity worldwide. In this video, we're exploring the best women-only hostels in 2025 that offer stylish stays, friendly vibes, and peace of mind. If you're planning your next solo escape, hit like and subscribe for more smart, secure, and empowering travel tips. 1. The Hostelle, Amsterdam, Netherlands. Hostelle is one of Europe's top-rated female-only hostels, designed with safety and comfort in mind. Located just outside central Amsterdam, it offers easy metro access to top sites and nightlife. The hostel is filled with feminine decor, cozy bunks, and stylish shared spaces for solo travelers. There is a fully equipped kitchen, laundry, lockers, and a friendly vibe that feels like home. Bathrooms are spotless and spacious, with extra mirrors and hairdryers for guest convenience. It offers dorm rooms and private rooms, all at great rates for budget-conscious women. Daily cleaning, 24-hour staff, and a secure keycard system make it perfect for solo safety. 2. The Femmes Hostel, Paris, France. The Femmes Hostel is a cozy female-only hostel in the heart of Montmartre, near Sacré-Cœur. It offers beautifully decorated shared rooms, each named after iconic women in history. Security is a priority, with secure access, female staff, and around-the-clock reception. Guests enjoy free breakfast, French tea, Wi-Fi, and shared kitchen space for quick meals. There is a reading lounge, soft lighting, and vintage decor that promotes relaxation. It is close to bakeries, boutiques, and metro stations, ideal for easy solo sightseeing. The hostel offers walking tour sign-ups and local guidebooks focused on female-friendly spots. 3. Venus Capsule Hostel, Tokyo, Japan. Venus Capsule Hostel in Shinjuku offers ultra-modern, female-only pod living in central Tokyo. Each capsule includes a mirror, charging ports, adjustable lighting, and noise insulation. Women travelers feel safe and pampered with locker access, spa-like bathrooms, and lounges. The location is close to shops, JR stations, shrines, and parks, ideal for solo exploring. There are makeup stations, vending machines, quiet zones, and a female-only staff team. The hostel offers Japanese-style slippers, robes, and a peaceful sleeping environment. Guests love the cleanliness, respectful culture, and sense of calm throughout the hostel. 4. Koma Hostel, Seoul, South Korea. Koma Hostel is a vibrant female-only hostel located in the heart of Seoul's Hongdae district. Designed by women for women, it blends Korean minimalism with warm social spaces. Guests can enjoy dorms or private rooms with free breakfast, Wi-Fi, and locker access. The rooftop terrace is a highlight for chilling out or enjoying group K-pop dance nights. Common areas are filled with pastel tones, mirrors, books, and a relaxed artistic vibe. Close to subway lines, indie cafes, shops, and live music venues for cultural immersion. Bathrooms include Korean beauty products, hair dryers, and generous vanity space. 5. She's Here Hostel, Bangkok, Thailand. She's Here Hostel is a tranquil oasis in busy Bangkok, made specifically for female travelers. Located in the airy neighborhood, it is safe, trendy, and filled with creative Thai culture. The hostel features bunk rooms with privacy curtains, outlets, and personal storage drawers. You can enjoy free breakfast, filtered water, yoga classes, and co-working space access. The design blends Thai aesthetics with modern comforts, making it beautiful and practical. Bathrooms have rainfall showers, toiletries, and excellent cleanliness standards. It is close to the SkyTrain, cafes, and night markets without being stuck in tourist zones. 6. The Drift Hostel, Medellin, Colombia. The Drift Hostel is a colorful and secure female-only floor inside a mixed-gender hostel. Located in Laurels, it offers safety, calmness, and proximity to cafes and co-working hubs. Female dorms include extra lighting, makeup mirrors, and larger lockers for peace of mind. There is a rooftop hangout area, shared kitchen, and nightly events for social connection. You can join local walking tours or day trips arranged by the all-female management team. Breakfast is included with tropical fruits, local breads, and Colombian coffee served daily. Guests appreciate the relaxed pace of Medellin paired with strong solo traveler support. Bathrooms are shared but maintained well, and guests often compliment their design. 7. Chicago Hostel, Mexico City, Mexico. Chicago Hostel is an all-female hostel located in Mexico City's trendy Roma Norte district. It combines bohemian charm with safety features ideal for international solo explorers. Private pods or bunk dorms are available, each with curtains, fans, and charging ports. You'll find a small cafe, lounge space, co-working desk, and shared kitchen on-site. Daily yoga classes, art nights, and local Spanish lessons help create a strong sisterhood. Bathrooms are gender-specific and include high-pressure showers, mirrors, and storage. There is easy metro access, with nearby galleries, street food, and vintage shops. The female staff offers real-time WhatsApp help and recommendations for safe outings. 8. Base Female Dorms, QueenTown, New Zealand. Base QueenTown includes a dedicated female-only dorm area with upgraded amenities. Located in downtown Queenstown, it is perfect for adventure lovers on a budget. Women dorms include free towels, hair dryers, big mirrors, and makeup tables. The staff is highly rated and helps solo travelers join group activities or adventure tours. It is near Lake Wakatipu, local bars, and trailheads for easy outdoor exploration. There is a kitchen, movie lounge, laundry, lockers, and plenty of safe social space. Each bed comes with a light, charging station, and personal shelf for belongings. The vibe is fun, but the women's dorm area stays quieter than the main mixed areas. 9. The Nani Nest, Ubud, Bali, Indonesia. The Nani Nest is a peaceful, all-women guest house and hostel just outside central Ubud. It offers shared and private rooms designed with tropical feminine aesthetics. Daily yoga, meditation sessions, and plant-based breakfasts are included in the stay. Rooms are equipped with mosquito nets, soft lighting, mirrors, and airy interiors. The garden and pool area offer calm spaces to relax, journal, or meet other women. Staff are local women who offer wellness workshops, tours, and cultural experiences. It is near rice terraces, caves, yoga studios, and scenic walking paths through nature. Bathrooms are eco-friendly, clean, and stocked with toiletries and essentials. 10. Beehive Hostel, Rome, Italy. The Beehive offers a female-only dorm option in a boutique hostel near Termini Station. It is run by a couple focused on sustainability, safety, and soulful travel in Rome. Female dorms are decorated warmly with quality beds, soft sheets, and personal lockers. Bathrooms are spotless and thoughtfully stocked with eco-friendly products and mirrors. The common lounge, garden cafe, and kitchen promote socializing with fellow travelers. The Beehive also hosts dinner nights, art events, and yoga in its tranquil courtyard. You can walk to all major Rome landmarks or use the metro just 1 block away. Women appreciate the peaceful atmosphere and host advice tailored to solo guests. It feels more like a community guest house than a typical backpacker hostel stay. From chic city hubs to serene beachside retreats, these female-only hostels are changing the way women travel solo. Which one would you love to stay at first? Let us know in the comments. And if this list helped you feel more confident about exploring the world on your own terms, don't forget to like and subscribe for more safe and stylish travel ideas every week. You've got this.